Hi, I hope you're well. I'm well. I'm really happy with the way this challenge is going so far. It's still early days, but I'm really happy about all the different explorations that I've been doing. I've been kind of going in all different ways. I like it. I like that I'm discovering a lot of things. I guess my plan was to do a bunch of things that are very varied in materials and studies for at least the first half of this challenge, and maybe towards the end have more of a focused study or a focused direction. That was my initial thought, but so far I'm really happy with the way things are going. And today I think I want to try working with water. So I'm gonna do ink washes and ink splash. I don't have a lot of experience working with water, so it will be very different for me for sure. Let's see where it goes. Okay, so working with water is so different. I don't know, I felt really lost. So I used ink. So it wasn't watercolor, but it was kind of similar, just ink and water, but I'm really not used to it. It's a whole different beast with different rules. The puddles, they kind of do it whatever they want. You gotta have no control with it. And I'm sure that that's the beauty of it. I was lost is the best way I can explain it, because I've never really worked with them a lot, so I would have to commit for a while to just try things out and try a lot of things and see what I like. And I feel like it's very different than what I'm aiming for right now with the black and white acrylic paint. So don't get me wrong, I liked it, it was interesting. It's just too different for me for right now. I think that if I went in that vein, I would just go there, instead of mixing everything together, because I would get overwhelmed. I don't know how successful I was. I tried a couple landscapes and I tried a couple abstract things, and I think the most successful was the flower kind of designs, and I like the blown out straw thing. that I was doing. Looking at all the pieces, not very many are successful to me, so overall, not super happy with them. There's this one flower that I kind of really like, and this other flower that has potential if I reworked it. So overall, I don't think I'm quite ready to commit to watercolors right now. Maybe another challenge. That could be a good idea. I'll see you tomorrow.